So, I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to get the Gab social app on your Android phone. So, first, all you need to do is go to gab.com in Chrome. So you just hit Chrome and go to gab.com. Then you hit the three dots and hit the install app button. Hit install. Now we can go see where it set it. Should be on here. And that should be it. And it takes a few moments because it says still adding, so give it a few minutes and it will do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let's build the parallel economy.